Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have my IPSY X box here. We're going to jump into all of this today, and this is for the month of August. It is fantastic. I'm really excited to talk about the products inside. This is the IPSY X Alicia Keys, and the whole thing is curated and really quite exciting. And there's quite a bit of the Keys Soul Care line in here as well. So I'm really excited to jump in and go through all of the products in this box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Alicia Keys X IPSY Glam Bag X for the month of August, stay tuned. Alright, so IPSY did send me an email flyer with all of the items inside so that we can talk about what's in here. And I'm actually really excited because all of the products look really cool. This is the Alicia Keys IPSY X Curated Glam Bag, and we're going to go into all the items inside. Now, something I do want to talk about is this is the every third month subscription tier, and normally I don't get this in PR. This month, IPSY decided that they were sending it to us, which I'm really excited about, because normally the PR influencers, those of us who do get the box, only get the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So definitely excited to get my hands on it this month, and I am so excited to share it with you. All right, so jumping in, the first item out of the box is from The Word. It is the Woke Cool Steam Eye Pack, which I've gotten so many of these, and this is going to already be a pass from me, just because it's not the type of product I use. Say goodbye to puffy, tired eyes. This mask was designed to developed to provide intense hydration for tired and stressed eyes. Combining the healing power with cold therapy, oxygen, and steam. Each session boosts radiance while keeping your skin plump and resilient. 15-minute sessions help hydrate and soothe the skin while reducing dark circles and fine lines. Not that I don't think it does that, it's just not really the type of product I use. I don't have a ton of puffiness. I did not get a ton of sleep last night, and I've been up for 15 hours already, so definitely not its best, but I don't think it's that bad, so I'm going to be passing on this. This does retail for $49.99. The next item comes from the brand Lawless, and this is the Baby One Mini Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $25. Now, every product I've tried from Lawless I have liked, and that's very pretty. You know, berry tones and mauve tones are definitely what I tend to go for. The balance of brown, rich rose, crimson, and plummy tones complements any skin tone and eye color to enhance your natural beauty. I love how you can get everything all in one place, and I do think the fact that you have all of these mattes to work with and only 2 shimmers means that you can really get a lot of versatility out of here, and the colors are nice and rich, so I think this will work even on deeper skin tones. The next product, I'll be honest, a friend of mine came by and asked for it, and I already gave it away because I know I don't like it. It is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme in Clear, ready to compete in the next Pout Off. Win by a landslide thanks to this incredibly effective formula that glides on clear and leaves lips plump and pink. I can't speak today. Don't be scared. An intense tingling sensation may last for 5 to 10 minutes after applying, and that means it's working. Apply only within the perimeter of the lips, retailing for $29. Story time. When I used to work at Sephora, there was a probably 12-year-old girl who tried on the lip enhancer in the store. Kind of gross, but she tried it on anyway. And her lips got so red and swollen, not like plumped, like an allergic reaction, that we had to call the EMTs. So definitely not a product I advocate for. If you like it, great. Not for me. Next, a product, again, I've tried, and I also know I don't like. This is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. I got mine in the shade Golden Bronze. If you can color with a crayon, you can master these shadow sticks. They start creamy so you can blend, and then they set and will not move. Skip the brush. The shadow blends best with your fingers. Retailing for $30. Not a product for me. I've tried a bunch of shadow sticks, and there are a few on the market I like. This just isn't one of them. I think the Laura Mercier Caviar sticks are so much better. I think the Beauty for Real shadow sticks are so much better. I just don't love these ones. I find that they get flaky, they get powdery, and they're just not as nice of a glide-on formula. I feel like I have to tug at my lid a little too much to be happy. And the last item before we get into the Alicia Keys Soul Care line is from Perricone MD, And this is the Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser, retailing for $35. Formulated with proprietary vitamin E ester, the non-drying face wash for oily and normal skin cleanses without stripping the skin of its natural oils, visibly improving clarity, texture, and tone. This vitamin C face wash leaves skin looking radiant and feeling refreshed. Lather a small amount into your hands, rinse, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. I like this. I don't love this. It's one of those products that I've used before, and I have it. I will use it, but it's not one that I would have run out to try and find, if that makes sense. It's not a pass. It's not a hit. It's just kind of there. All right, and for the Alicia Keys line, the first item is going to be the Keys Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator. This retails for $25. Customize your cleansing experience with this water-activated powder-to-foam exfoliator. Add less water for a more intense exfoliation. I was not interested in this when I saw that it was, until I saw that it was physical. Now that I know that it's a powder that you add in, I'm actually really excited to give it a try. I think these packaging are 10 out of 10. I love the elegant, like, eggplant, dark, plummy purple that has these hints of black in there. Definitely something I want to photograph. Like, it is such a pretty bottle. I will be putting this to the test. As I tell you in every skincare-related video, until you're consistently using skincare for 28 to 60 days, you're not going to know if it's working for you. Obviously, with an exfoliator, you can tell if you like it and if it's working, or you can tell if you don't. But as far as the long-term benefits, you really need to give it time. So I will be giving this a full review, and I'll let you know in an upcoming video what I think. Next, a product I do like because we got it in a BoxyCharm a while back. This is the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream, retailing for $32. This face cream takes its transformation moniker seriously by using potent bakuchiol to improve tone and texture. Take a few breaths and let the calming scent work its magic. Again, the packaging on this is 10 out of 10. I have an open one in my bathroom, and I love the way that this feels. But also the packaging is 10. I mean, clearly I'm feeling the purple vibe today. This is such a pretty packaging, and I feel like this entire collection, when lined up, just feels super luxurious. It reminds me so much, like, the Caudalie Premier Crew is all, like, matte and, like, a satin purple. This is a glossy purple, and I'm really excited for, like, the two of them to be lined up next to each other because they are both so great. And the last item retailing for $25 is the Keys Soul Care Obsidian Facial Roller. Add a luxe touch to your routine with this massage tool that helps to accelerate the benefits of your other products. Obsidian stone is known to block negative energy and clear psychic smog. Now, there's no way for me to open this without breaking the seal, and I have so many face rollers that I am going to be passing on this, but I do think it's a really cute idea. There's a picture of it right here, and it's your traditional obsidian face roller. I have so many of them, and I rarely use them, so I am going to be keeping that sealed just so I can give it to one of you. Now, obviously, we definitely got more than the price of the box in value here. This is really quite an exciting box. That being said, I am so excited to dig into the palette because I want to play around with these purple vibes so bad. Anyway, I will be doing an upcoming video where I put all of the subscription box makeup from the month of the test, and we'll be using some items from this box in that video, so make sure you're subscribed so you can check out the video. Will be coming next week. Additionally, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. And do you think this was a good box? Do you think this was a bad box? Do you think Alicia Keys is doing a good job? You tell me. I want to hear what you have to say. As always, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.